Salam and welcome to Habesha Coder. ዛሬ some problem solve እናደርጋለን። It's a Leetcode medium እና the problem is to find a sum of ሶስት values that are equal to 0 እና indexዎቹ they can't be the same. I እና j, I እና k, j እና k አንድ አይነት ቁጥር መሆን አይችልም. That means location ካለ we can only use this one once እና ይሄኛው እንትሉ መደጋገም አይችልም ማለት ነው. Otherwise -1 plus -1 plus 2 0 ሊሆን ይችላል. That's too many combination ይሆናል. አሁን ለዚህ approach two solutions አሉ I can think of quickly. Now the first one is the easiest one. It's you can do 4 within 4 within 4. Now here this gets you every combination of every array value. Now here you can get to zeros come telling you can go through every combination or permutation until to get the value. Here medium no, that's too easy into the solution. Now time complexity is O of n to the power of 3 now. That's very slow. So instead what we're going to do is we're going to solve it the same way we solved on to sum way to sum to Kayachut video. It's sort nums array. Now kazam we can make an assumption about into we can have left pointer, right pointer. Now if it's sorted we can make assumption go in one direction or another based on if the value is greater than or less than. On here sorting into O in general it's O of n log n. Now here the way it is use an outer loop to track of array, then solve with to sum. So what would that be? Time complexity of O of n to the power of 2. O of n log n plus O of n to the power of 2. This gets simplified to O of n to the power of 2. Now to know you just take the worst case and now you simplify it by just writing O of n squared because that's much worse than O of n log n. On O of n squared this is exponential growth. Now O of n log n this is much faster than that. So what we care about is the worst case because that's what the time notation explain. So in solve Amharic we need to sort arrays dot sort nums. Now let's keep track of the sum equal to 0. And now list here return marijuana. Return level equal to new array list. Okay. አሁን መጀመሪያ ስንጀምር we have to say I is equal to 0 እና go ahead and copy እናድርገው. So solve scenario and then we have to sort it. -4, -1, -1, 0, not 2. 1, then 2. And now, if we solve it for A, because we're going to does C, the solution will be the same. I get you on -1, -1, 0, 1. ከዛም ደግሞ -1 0 1 አለ። ከዛም ደግሞ -1 -1 እና 2 አለ። ግን አሁን ይሄ -1 ከዚህ ጋር ሲሆን አንድ አይነት አንሰር ነው ከዚህ ጋር የሚያደርገው። ለዛን ይሄኛውን ችሉን we have to ignore it። ሁለተኛ ጊዜ እዛ ስንደርስ the way we do that is if I is not equal to 0 na nums of I is equal to nums of I minus 1, then let's skip that turn. Int left equal to no, I plus 1, right, equal to nums dot length minus 1. And that's also you have to subtract 1. Otherwise, it's going to array out of index out of until error. It will be an error because index won't be found in the array. It will be larger than the size of the array. We have to say while left is less than right. Let's track sum is equal to nums of I to dammar nums of right to dammar nums of left. Kazam if sum is greater than 0, else if sum is less than 0, not else. Okay, so sum if that's greater than 0, we have to subtract from the right to make it a little bit smaller. So right minus minus. If it's less than 0, ማድረግ ያስፈልጋል ሰሙ. So we have to do left plus plus. Else this is tricky. That means we found the exact 0. So returnable dot add new array list arrays dot list nums of I, nums of left, nums of right. Kazam left plus plus mark 11. Kazam, if this is the same number, we have to check while nums of left equal to nums of left minus 1. Now, and we have to check left is less than right. Now left plus plus. I think that should do it. Oh, missing return statement. Man, but I'm good. Okay. Yeah, now I have almost 80% until now. It's not the best gun. It's I think a good approach. Actually, so if you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, and give me feedback. I'll try to use it for the next video. Thank you. Ciao.